So today we're going to check out a Dodge Grand Caravan key fob. It probably just needs a battery, but the as soon as you get near the vehicle, the alarm goes off. So in order to take this apart, we're going to first take out the spare key. In case you didn't know, there's a spare key. It goes right in there. And if you want, you can bring this right to Ace, True Value, or any place that makes keys, and they can make you a real key. But again, this is just for the door, driver's door. And then sometimes you can get it apart like this. Let's see. And sometimes you need a little more oomph. Okay, this is where the battery goes. This particular one is a 2032 CR2032 battery, 3 volt, and it looks like that. That goes in really easy. And then I like to just check on this side because these little feet sometimes get squished down a little bit.
This doesn't have ESP.
So I just like to check those. And then, you know, I look to make sure there's no corrosion or anything. Everything looks okay. So let's chuck it together.
Okay, thank you. All expenses are done. Yeah.
Okay, and the spare goes back. There you go. That's how you change the battery. And I'm going to bring it over and see if that was the problem. Maybe not. This feels very soft. I think I might take it apart again. I don't know if you can hear it, but the unlock clicks. I don't know if the... I think I've got another one. Oh yeah, see? This is a different one. The lock button does click. The unlock clicks as well. This one feels mushy. Alright, we'll try it again. Okay, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it. inside of here, these little round, I don't know what you call them, little feet, I guess. And the one for the lock has come off. I'm gonna try super glue, but I'm not sure if that's a fix.
Thermostat in your office?
No.
Okay.
Yes, you might be on video.
Oh, that's
Or your voice, anyway.
that's fine.
Okay, let's see how it works. So it seems to work. The real test was when I bring it next to the vehicle, because it was just immediately going off into alarm. But that sounds much better. Alright, so here we go. Let's check it out. It seems to work. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.